Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's pre-match analysis of SRH versus Gujarat Lions, the second qualifier. The winning team goes into the finals and meet RCB at Bengaluru. Well, but today the game is in Delhi. David Warner, he has decided to chase a target, bowl first. A little surprising for me because I thought in a pressure game he would like to bat first, put on 170, 175 and then let the scores on the board, put the pressure on the other team who's chasing. Gujarat Lions, they came really close to winning the last game, but they could not get through A.B. de Villiers, who played a superlative innings. They got through Virat Kohli really early, a duck for Virat Kohli. Dhaval Kulkarni, he got 4 wickets in the last game. 3 of those wickets actually were because of batsmen really playing bad shots. But KL Rahul, he got a zapper of a delivery and he was caught in the slips. Ravin Kumar, he's been bowling well, but in the last game he was expensive. Ravindra Jadeja bowled well in the last game, got a couple of wickets, did not give away too many runs. Jakarti is not playing today because he was really expensive in the last game. Wayne Bravo, he went for a few runs in the last game too. Wayne Bravo's slower deliveries are actually being picked up by the batsmen, so he's bowling more of the regular pace deliveries like 135, 137 Ks and using the slow deliveries as a surprise. If I compare both the bowling sides, SRH, although they are missing Mustafizur Rahman today, who's out with a niggle, they have Trent Bolt, a left-arm seamer, not exactly a like-for-like replacement because of the kind of bowling styles. He's more of a swing bowler who can get the ball to swing into the right-handers, which is always great and difficult to actually put away. So let's see if he wins the battle against his ex-captain Brendan McCullum in this game, who's been out charging down the track plenty of times in this tournament. Aaron Finch and Brendan McCullum, they are supposed to open. Aaron Finch hasn't really scored in the last 2 games, got a duck in 1 game and didn't score many in the last game. Dwayne Smith batting down the order, he's been contributing really well. He almost bailed them out in the last game and even the game before he got quick fire 30 odd. Dinesh Karthik, he was in really good form in the first half of the tournament, got a couple of 50s, won a match for them. But he's been struggling for runs. In the last game he got 20-25 runs, but his strike rate was less than 100. Ravindra Jadeja hasn't really come good with the bat. Suresh Raina, he got 2 50s after coming back from paternity leave, but in the last game he did not perform. He needs to come good today. He needs to stay on the crease because SRH, they are playing a left-arm spinner in Bipul Sharma and Yuvraj Singh might be asked to roll his arm over. Deepak Huda might be bowling a couple of overs if needed. Moises Henriques bowled brilliantly in the last game. Ben Cutting was really good too. So overall the SRH bowling side looks much better than the Gujarat Lions batting side. But Gujarat Lions, they have a lot of firepower in their batting. If 2 or 3 of their top order batsmen click, they could be looking at 175, 180, which won't be an easy target to chase. SRH would like to restrict them for somewhere close to 160, 165 and then chase down the target because their middle order has been shaky. Yuvraj scored some runs in the last game, but I don't really see Yuvraj Singh performing consistently right now in the kind of form he is. He might hit a couple of good sixes, show that he's back, but he's not been getting those big runs which might be needed today if the top 2 of SRH do not click. David Warner, he might have to score a 50 today, a quick fire 50 if they are chasing anything over 165, 170. Shikhar Dhawan was in good touch in the last game, but played a bad shot to get out. Moises Henriques, he played a cameo. So did Deepak Huda. He just needs to watch out for those runouts. Otherwise, he's a fine batsman who can hit big sixes. Ben Cutting can hit huge sixes too. His strike rate in T20 cricket is more than 150. That says a lot about his batting firepower or hitting abilities. If SRH would have batted first, my money would have been on SRH. But they are chasing a target. If Gujarat gets to 170, it's game Gujarat. If SRH can restrict them to 160, it's game SRH. Enjoy the game, have a great time. We'll get to know today who will be playing RCB in the finals and picking up the runners-up trophy. Bye-bye for now, take care, have a great day.